Hello guys, welcome to Deep Topics. If it's your first time here, then what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon to get notified when new videos are uploaded. Today, we are going to look at how to make a girl like you. So, if you are interested, then stay tuned. Well, you have always wanted something like this, right? But what do you get? How do you feel? Happy? Bad, right? Don't worry, I am going to give you tips, so just listen to me closely. Number 1, look neat. Try working out. It might not always be going to the gym, even at home. Do some exercise and get some cool looking muscles. Hey Jessica, do you like guys with muscles?
Yeah, I do. I mean, they look so hot. Like super hot.
I heard her, hope you did too. Number 2, on our list, impress her. Number 3, make her feel special, like making her feel different from everyone else. But remember, do not compare her with other girls. Spend time in her activities, but do not be too clingy. Don't let her make you her puppet. Give her some breathing space. Keep up with your other friends. Make her laugh, crack some jokes but not about her. Compliment her. Don't tell her she looks beautiful if you know she doesn't. She might know you don't mean it. Consider breaking the touch barrier. Well, quite alright, it's scary, but at least just touch her hand to make her feel special. Ask her out. Even as you ask her out, don't forget to flirt and smile. Lastly, give her some gifts on special occasions. You don't have to go for something big. Try giving her something that you know she might like. So you guys out there, try doing what we discussed. If you do, things might go very well like... See that? She kissed me. Avoid being embarrassed.
He has told you, so if you want me to like you, just do what he said. If you found this video to be helpful, consider sharing it. Don't forget to give it a like.